Okay, it's Tuesday, November 9th. I just wanted to point out a unique trade setup that just developed, and I just bought CrowdStrike here at the 284 area. And what it is it's a unique type of trade where you can see the first 15-minute bar started out very strong with a very large range. That's 10 points actually. And I'll show you the context overall in a second, what's going on with this stock. But then, if you would have entered somewhere here on an aggressive 5-minute bar, and then it came down the midpoint of that first green bar, you would have had to exit at some type of either break even or small loss, and that sometimes happens. But what happened is, then the price came down to the yellow line here, which is yesterday's close and the support of overnight price action. And if we look at the context, all this is just a big green bar from yesterday starting above the midpoint. Yeah, we started up higher, but now we're just pulling it back a little bit into this green bar. So I still anticipate this being a strong day to the upside. It could totally fail, but the odds are that it just, after such a strong opening, it's just pulling back, and it pulled back to actually a very unique level here of the close and the support of the overnight price action. So I bought here. I'm anticipating there's enough volatility in this first range to get a good bounce, maybe 4 to 5 points higher, and that's kind of mostly what I'm looking for on this trade. I don't necessarily expect it to make new highs. It's a very tight stop, and again, what you're going to watch for here, just if you're going to try a trade like this, it usually should happen pretty quick. So I expect these next 15-minute bars to immediately form green and head higher, and that's what I'm looking for. If not, then I can just exit real quickly. There's usually enough time to exit this trade if it doesn't materialize the way you expect to break even. So you can see here I got in around 254. It's holding right there. This is now the second bar where it should have been bouncing up. So it's a very tricky call whether you want to hold on at this point. This should have happened here, on that first move down, and then the bounce should have developed. But it's trying right now, 284.34, heading higher. So if that's how you determine if this trade's going to work, if these next couple of bars turn green or not. If not, it's just a quick attempt and you get out. But that's the bounce is what you really anticipate given this price action. So you just have to watch the 15-minute chart to see if it gives you that or not. If not, then just you have the option to get right out because you know what you were looking for to begin with. So I just wanted to point that out. You can see we are moving higher here. So to me, this next 15-minute bar will be the key. And maybe if it works out, I'll give a good I'll show you a follow-up video of how you can follow price action and kind of see what kind of bounce you're actually getting. But for now, it's definitely moving higher, and so I have the option here. If it just doesn't follow through, just to get out at break even. If it does follow through, I'm going to get that bounce, which was high probability for a little scalp gain on CrowdStrike today.